In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a map block in your page design editor. To get started, open your page design section in Chrome so you can see the canvas editor and the main layout area clearly. This is the workspace where you'll build and preview your page, so it helps to make sure everything is fully loaded before you begin. Once you're in the editor, look for the edit option and click it to enter the section where changes can be made. Next, move to the upper menu area and click the add block button. This is the control used to insert new content elements into your page layout. When you select it, a library of available block types will appear, giving you different options for what you can add to the page. From that list of options, choose the map block. This is the element that allows you to display a location directly on your page, which is especially useful for businesses, offices, event venues, or any destination you want visitors to find easily. After selecting it, the map block will be added to your layout. Once the map block is in place, click inside the block settings panel to open the map configuration area. This is where you'll control how the map behaves and how it appears visually. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the available settings, since this panel is where all the main customization happens. Now click the Add Location option. A field will appear where you can enter the address or map location you want to display. Type in your business address or the specific location you want the map to point to. Be as accurate as possible so the map pin appears in the correct place. If needed, use a complete street address for the best result. After the location has been added, adjust the presentation settings to match the look and function you want. You can change the zoom level to control how close or wide the map appears. A closer zoom is helpful if you want to highlight a specific building or storefront, while a wider zoom gives more surrounding context. You can also choose the map style, such as a standard road map, a dark themed map, or a satellite view. These visual options can help the map fit better with the rest of your page design. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your map block is now added and customized, helping visitors quickly understand where the location is and making your page more useful and professional.